So guys, it's been some time I haven't made a video. It was a phone which I ordered, and let's go ahead and unbox it. It's the Note 8, which has been one of the most popular handsets, and the Note 9 has come in, but I did my research and I found out that the Note 8 is the best phone in terms of price and in terms of it looks. I looked at the Note 9, I just found it a bit bigger, and that's why I ordered the Note 8. It gives a little bit of description over here. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys and show you. It's got a 160mm full rectangle screen, and it's got dual pixel 12 megapixel optical image stabilization plus 12 megapixel optical image stabilization. So it's got basically two cameras on the back, one camera in the front. It's IP68 iris scanner, NOx protected, 64 MB, and this is the single SIM, and the single SIM can be noted from here. So if it's an SM950F, then it's a single SIM phone, and this is the midnight black version. Comes with a stylus, 64GB as I told you. Note 8, it's very popular. It's one of those phones that seriously, I mean, if you want to take notes, then this is the best for you. So let's go ahead. This is just an unboxing of the phone, just to show you guys that what comes in the phone. So guys, first of all, it has this sort of protective shell which says Note 8 on the top. This is the phone itself. If it's a brand new phone, it should be sealed. So this is a European version, that's why it should say European SIM card only. So guys, packaging is absolutely plain, there's nothing much, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So guys, I've just broken up the seal. Let's open it up. On the internet, if you look at different videos, different reviews, you'll find that lots of people, whenever they unbox, it comes with the sticker which says like 12 megapixel and optical image stabilization and so on. This is the European version, that's why it's absolutely plain, and that is the phone. And now instantly taking it out, it just looks really beautiful. It's seriously, it's a very nice phone to handle, and it says SM950F on the back. You see guys, and this is the phone itself. Very slim, very sleek. That's the top of the phone, that is the rear of the phone. So guys, 12 megapixel, two cameras, flash fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, it's got a USB-C charging port, got a speaker. That's the stylus. You can just take out the stylus from here, and that is the headset jack over here. The left side, you have the volume rocker key, right up and down, and you have the Bixby key. On the right side, you have the power button over here. So that's the power button over here, and on the top it has the SIM card slot. That is the phone. In the front, it's got the infrared sensor, it's got a front-facing camera, and obviously the speaker on the top and the earpiece. And yeah, so this is the phone. Very slim, very smart. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. I've taken out the phone, and first of all, it's got this sort of protective casing over here. Then it comes with the SIM card ejector and some leaflets inside this. In the box, what you will get is very much standard packaging. So it comes with the USB-C cable, an adapter which you can use for a USB flash drive, so you can input the data, or you want to take out the pictures, whatever you want to do. So it's on one side it's got USB 3, and the other side it's got a USB-C. Apart from that, it's got another connector which is the micro USB to USB-C. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys just to show you. So guys, this is the micro USB from one side, and on the other side it's got the USB-C. And over here on the top you have the headphone. So these are the headphones, that's the model number. That is the charger from Samsung. Very handy, slim, really nicely built. USB connector port, some extra stylus tips, and this is a pin remover, a tip remover you can say. It's that. Get some extra earphone plugs. That's the model number. And yeah guys, so that's it. That is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, or the Samsung Note 8, whatever you may call it. So guys, this is just a very simple, straightforward unboxing of the Galaxy Note 8. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to root this phone and I'm going to install everything on it. After I've done that, I'm going to make another video which will be more on the tips and tricks of an Android phone, but this is going to be my second phone, and just to guys show you as compared to the iPhone. So guys, this is my iPhone, and you can see that in terms of its size, basically compare it like this and we put it straight with it. So you can see on the bottom it's absolutely equal, but on the top that's one finger space taller than the iPhone 10. And over here the sidewise you can see that it is pretty much in width, it's the same, but in terms of length, Samsung Note 8 is taller. And so that's it guys. So this was my review of the Samsung Note 8. Hope you guys liked it. Do hit the subscribe button and do hit the like button as well, and I'll be making other videos soon in the future, and I'm going to make an extensive a review of the Samsung Note 8, starting it up and setting it up. That's going to be a different video once I've set it up. That's pretty much it, and catch you in my next video. Bye for now guys.